Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I will show you on how to make payment for your order on 1688 Chinese shopping app. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship import products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you source for product from different supplier. To make this particular tutorial short, I have sourced for the product. I have the product to cart. If you don't know how to add product to cart, you can check the video on my channel. I have made a lot of step-by-step tutorial video on how you can add product to cart. After you have successfully added your product to cart, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to your cart. Then all the products you have in your cart is going to be found right here. So from here, you can select as many as possible products you want to pay for. So I'm going to select all this and pay for this particular product right here. Then I'll scroll down and I'm paying for this product. I will continue paying for this. I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this. So once you select all the product, next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. All right, so from the checkout right here, you can be sure to preview everything right here. Scroll down and preview all the products is correct. Once you are sure, next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to the payment. Then it's going to take you right here. So right here, there are so many means of payments on 1688 right now. But in this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Allow the Alipay to connect. Then go ahead and enter your payment password to complete the payment. Now, payment done successful. Just like what you can see right there, you can see a debit alert from my Alipay. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I screenshot this part right here as a proof of payment. Having made a screenshot, I have to send it to the person that asked me to make payment for them on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to exit from here now, from my 1688, and go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here. So this person's right here contacts me for payment and procurement from China using 1688. You can see our conversation right here, from the link to the collation and the calculation of the amount we are paying for the particular product. You can see everything right here. If this is exactly what you are interested in, you can reach out to me. So you can see my conversation with this particular person right here. This is the order video. This is the screenshot of all the order that we just paid for on 1688. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here now, select my picture, select the proof of payment, and say goods payment done, and all goods purchase. Then send. It's that simple. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and go back to my 1688. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and go back to my 1688 right here. So I'm going to go back to my 1688. So right here, I'll go ahead and click on here to close this particular proof of payment pump up right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to my profile. So by the time I refresh my profile, all the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's find out. So I'm going to click on here, and then you can see them right here. It's that simple. So these are all the goals right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import, ship products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.